2019 back at Twisted Grip Cycles, getting the bike done.
Installing some pink tassels.
Oh yeah.
The go fast time.
So what we got going on today with my bike, I'm not a fan of chrome.
Ooh, I like being behind this camera.
Quit playing with yourself back there. So I'm not a fan of chrome, so I'm going with the wrinkle black on the derby cover and the time and chain inspection cover. Chris is gonna change that out for me. We'll take care of that real quick.
You gonna do the fast forward thing?
Yeah, let's do the fast forward thing. That wraps that up. Nah, the wrinkle black definitely looks better than the damn chrome.
And it makes it faster.
It does. It added what, 5 horsepower?
Yep.
Well, that was probably 5. That was more like 10. Let me get that door for you.
Man, this is like a 10-point turn.
Don't trip the. I ain't gonna drop it.
This thing is kind of awkward still. I don't know how you got it.
Because I'm fat.
Are you sitting on your stomach?
Yeah.
All day. Wrap it up and get the hell out of here.
Nah, I'm gone, man. I'm gone. So, just another day at Twisted Grip. Chris wrapped my bike up. 2019, we got a lot of good things coming this summer. We got something we're working on, and a damn train is coming. But 2019, we got a lot of things we're working on this summer. Don't want to talk about it right yet, but it's great, exciting things we're working on behind the scenes. I will say it's going to be involving Twisted Grip Cycles, 804 Motorsports, Pro Street Cycles. And so with them 3 guys and me, myself, it's going to be a good time. And I really look forward to it. And here comes a fucking train. So yeah, while we're at it, let me go ahead and get what I'm going to go ahead and do. So this summer, it's going to be a great time. If you don't want to miss it, what we're going to do? No, I'm just kidding. I ain't saying shit. But, no, working with Chris, Nick, and Mike over there at Pro Street, we sat down, we had a meeting, and we got a really exciting thing that we got going on, and we'll be telling everybody soon about that. So definitely be watching. Let's go back inside and see what Chris is working on. That would be a little messed up. I mean, I don't know. But at least that's clear. So we're back inside Twisted Grip Cycle. Chris got finished up with my bike. He's got a customer's bike right here on the lift. And 12, 14
Those are
inch bars.
17-inch
17-inch bars?
Todd cycle bars. 17.
So with the bigger bars, of course, longer cables. Had to rewire the bars. What else you got going on with this?
What else?
New brake line going in.
Yeah.
Upgrade.
Yeah, chrome buttons, new mirrors.
Oh yeah, also for 2019, don't forget to ship this state merchandise and Twisted Grip Cycle merchandise also. And if you're in the area, you can get your bike service for how much? $275. And if
Sportsters are cheaper.
yeah, Sportsters are cheaper because he likes working on those. And one final thing, Richard Rawlins, if you're watching,
Hell yeah!
if
Woo!
you're watching,
Woo! I can do that shit.
Yeah,
All day.
garage rehab, whatever you
You gonna
want.
be my beer guy? I need a beer guy.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. You know what?
Beer assistant? Is that what it's called?
Richard, I know you're watching.
Need a beer assistant.
No,
You're supposed to be blocked out. We need to.
Richard, you watching?
Gotta block your face out.
How you block my face out?
Because you never see that guy. The beer assistant. You don't know who that is.
No. Yeah, man, give that guy some credit.
How it's there. No, I'll show him that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's another one. Vintage.
Yeah, hold on, I've got a camera.
Holy crap.
Yeah. Yeah. We just watched one episode where we saw you pull a, I think it's 8 foot.
Very familiar with that.
Yeah. So where they just pulled an 8 foot one out of the ground, oil went everywhere. All right, so we're gonna let Chris finish up here. It's 40 degrees outside there. We got snow coming this weekend. Chris is gonna be pushing a 4-wheeler with a plow on the front. We just got done messing with that, of course. And I got a 40-degree ride, which is about a 45-minute ride.
Hey, for 40
Back-
degrees?
Yes. 35. 35. It's real cold. I'm the only man one out here around this area who wants to jump on a bike and ride. So I gotta do my 45-minute ride back home. We'll catch you next time, guys. Keep watching.
Oh, man, I think,